Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're gonna be cooking honey ginger chicken bites. All right, so we're gonna do about 3/4 a cup of Firebee Spicy Honey. Next, we've got 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, which I minced up already. 4 cloves of garlic. Just go directly into there. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using reduced sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. If you can, make it dark sesame oil. And last is 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Get that good and mixed up, and then we're gonna put that in a Ziploc bag with the chicken that I put on skewers, and this is just chicken breast that I've cut up, and we're gonna leave that in for about 2 hours. All right, so we just pulled our chicken out of the fridge. It's been about 2 hours, and we're just gonna go directly onto the Steelmade. We've got medium-high heat, throw down a little bit of oil, and out of the bag. All right, at the same time, we're gonna get some green beans going. These are blanched, so it's gonna be a lot easier to get a nice browning on them without just burning the heck out of them. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on these green beans. Easy enough. Check on the chicken, looking pretty good. Okay, chicken's ready to get pulled off. Take that, and while it's still a little bit moist, we're going to throw a little sesame seeds on it, just for a little texture. And there you have it. That's our honey ginger chicken bites with a side of green beans. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe.